Alright, the patient's symptoms suggest we should consider this condition, but I want to cross-check with the latest research just to be sure. Oh, no need. We've got all we need right here. That looks kinda old. What sample size is that? Looks like about 300 patients, but the conclusions have been used for years. 300 patients? That's barely enough to represent a single town, let alone an entire population. But statistically, the trends hold up. We've been using these criteria forever. Yeah, because original research was mostly based on one demographic. What if the data just doesn't apply to everyone? Oh, come on. If the symptoms fit, they fit. We don't need to complicate things. Right, but what if the symptoms don't fit in the way this old study describes? What if we're missing something because the original sample wasn't diverse enough? If it was a big enough issue, we would have noticed by now. Would we though? Or are we just seeing what this old research tells us to see? Look, if we start questioning every study just because it wasn't perfectly inclusive, where does it stop? It stops when we actually understand the people we're diagnosing. You don't think it's weird that we keep getting things wrong with the same group of people? Oh, so now all our research is useless. No, but we can't act like this study is a universal truth just because it's been around forever. New data exists. We should probably use it. We're doctors, not activists. We work with what we have. And what we have isn't enough. Look, we can debate methodology all day, but at the end of the day, if we follow this standard, at least we know we're following precedent. Right. And that precedent just happens to misdiagnose the same people over and over again. If it was that bad, we would have changed it by now. Oh, absolutely. Right after you acknowledge who created the report in the first place. And with February right around the corner, you might be hearing about this again real soon.